guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Natasha coming back with another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're one of my day ones, welcome back. So in today's video, this is a first for me. As y'all can see, I've been getting on, exploring with wigs, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm liking it because I get to try different things, I get to switch it up, and I love it. So in today's video, I'm going to be basically reviewing this wig. This one's a first for me. This is the glueless wig. Because, if you guys see videos, if you see me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, I'm back over there again. Instagram, yes, your girlie's been trying on the wigs, but I've never tried a glueless wig, and this is the first for me. And it's colored. Like, it's colored. It's giving. That's from the picture I've seen, but we're going to open it together. Like, okay. I'm really excited. So this is the Domiso Ombre Highlighted HD Pre-Cut 24 inches. All right. It's a pre-cut wig. And as you can see, I already fixed my face already because it's supposed to, I had a cap on, like a ball cap, and I took that off because I wanted to give, my full honest, without the ball cap, my hair, whatever. I just have a regular stocking cap, you can see a little bit there. But yeah, so I'm looking it up. It's a 6x4 HD lace, wear and go, glueless wig, kinky curl. Let's see, it's 427 honey blonde, and it's 24 inches. Like, yeah, I'm just looking up the specs on here, and this is an Amazon wig, by the way. If y'all don't know, it's an Amazon wig, and I'm excited. So let me open. It has a little tabby that says open on it, so that's what I'm doing. This is the wig though. So on here it says hair texture kinky curly, and it says stretch length is 24 inches. Oh, who's ready for this? Like, look. Oh my god. Is it focusing? Oh my god. All right, I took the stuff off. This is it. So I think it says a 6x4. Yeah, it's a 6x4, and it comes with the strap in it. So I think most of the glueless wig, they come with a strap because you don't have to glue it or whatever. But there it is, y'all. So let's get into this install. I can't wait. I'm actually going to use the HD wig cap. Because I have a regular wig cap on. I'm actually use the regular, the HD wig. My only thing so far that I don't like is that it has a little smell. Out of box, it has a little smell. That so far, I don't like. But everything else, even the color, is beautiful. But yeah, so let's get into this install.
And send me picture them story. That's how blessings upon me. And that's how I be to give him the top. I'm delighted. Jah knows my passion ignited. Got the music me excited. Coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the flux. Yeah. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. Was a toast for the friends that take off every load. One time then sit down in a class and report. Then only set the road and me go on with the road. Toast, yeah, toast. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and
I'ma get no be so. Yeah, you won't capture my soul. I'ma get no be so. Make you one umbo. Better, bad. I'm loose. Even better done the bad.
I did not even put the melting band on because I want to show you guys how it looks straight out the package. I didn't do much. I just put a little cream foundation, is that what it's called? Yeah, cream foundation on the lace for it to just to blend. And as you can see, she is giving. I call her Beyonce because this reminds me of Beyonce. Like if it's a little lean, listen, I'm trying. Your girl is trying. I told my hot comb off, I can't even use that, but it looks so good. Like you know, you guys saw I slicked my hair down. And yeah, so if you want something quick and on the go, this is it. And I think this is a beautiful color for the summer. Like, yes, she is giving. Beyonce is giving.